Gaming chairs are now insanely popular. From the office to your home, these chairs can be seen in most places. What makes these chairs exceptional is the design, comfort, and longevity. Now, there are many brands out there with their own version of gaming chairs, and choosing the right one can be very difficult for the buyers. So, to make your life easier, in today's video, we will review the Furniwell S-Racer gaming chair. This ergonomically designed gaming chair has the potential to deliver you a comfortable and long-lasting gaming experience. Judging by the looks, the design is pretty impressive. The whole chair is designed for gamers to feel as if they're sitting in a racing car. This racing-style gaming chair comes in multiple colors: blue, red, white, and more. The entire body underneath the back seat is made of a heavy-duty metal frame and soft, supportive molded foam, and the outside body is covered with premium PU leather material. As a result, sitting on this chair will give the users a cozy and comfy gaming experience. Also, the entire back seat is very wide, which keeps your shoulders straight, so regardless of the height and size, users will easily fit in. The base of this chair is made of solid metal with a triple protective case around its body, which makes the chair strong enough to hold a maximum weight of 300 pounds. This ergonomic S-Racer gaming chair also comes with headrest support to keep your neck more comfortable while gaming for a longer time. Additionally, it has a really good quality armrest. Users can move their wrist freely and very comfortably. And lastly, the chair also has a lever to adjust the height of the seat, including an additional lever for the backseat adjustment, which allows users to lean back 180-degree angle. On the other hand, the wheel of this chair is very flexible, and the entire chair can be rotated around 360 angles without making any noises. Furniwell S-Racer gaming chair is one of the best-looking modern chairs that are currently available on the market. From design to comfort, this gaming chair has everything a gamer needs. So, if you're someone who genuinely loves playing games, then you should definitely check out this chair for yourself. So, that was all about the Furniwell S-Racer gaming chair. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.